Welcome to Wise Gains. Read more about what is balance sheet. A balance sheet is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of a company's financial position at a specific point in time. It is also known as the statement of financial position. Assets. Assets are everything a company owns that has value and can be used to meet its obligations or provide future economic benefits. Liabilities. Liabilities represent the company's obligations or debts that it owes to external parties. Equity. Equity represents the ownership interest in the company. Equity includes common stock, retained earnings, and additional paid-in capital. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep discovering, learning, and exploring with us, don't forget to that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.